Getting your first 1,000 followers on X Twitter can feel slow and confusing. So in this video, we'll break down simple and practical steps you can follow to grow your account the right way, even if you're just starting out. First, we recommend you to focus on your profile outlook. Now, your profile is your first impression. You gotta choose a clear username, a professional profile photo or logo, cover photo included. Make sure you have a bio that clearly explains what you post about along with other information. Now, when someone lands on your profile, they should instantly know why they should follow you. Next, it's recommended to pin an introduction tweet. Now, your pinned tweet should introduce who you are, what value you provide, and what people can expect from your content. Just think of it as a short introduction that stays at the top of your profile for new visitors. Next, what you can do is just follow the right accounts. Just add around 20 to 30 important and relevant profiles in your niche, especially those with large followings. These accounts already have the audience you want to reach. Now, after that, you gotta engage with valuable comments regularly. Just go to these large profiles and leave meaningful comments on their posts. Now, it's suggested to avoid generic replies. Instead, you can add insights, opinions, or helpful information. Strong comments attract attention and encourage people to visit your profile. The next tip is to post consistently. Now, you don't need long or complicated posts at the beginning. Just share short tips, thoughts, or useful information related to your niche. Posting consistently helps people recognize your account over time. Our next tip is to use your DMs wisely. Now, if you have a follower asking you about anything, you can share additional website info and other supplementary information that might also help them. So they might recommend your account to others. Our final tip is to focus on giving value. Just always think about how your content helps others. Now, when your posts educate, solve a problem, or share useful insights, people are more likely to follow you. Just stay consistent and patient. Keep improving your profile, your posts, and your engagement. Small daily efforts add up faster than you think. Good luck and take care.